Okay, so the first time I did this, I fell off the bandwagon real brisk. But hopefully things are better the second time around. Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel, aka Nelly B, and new year, new things, and I am back with a challenge. So if it wasn't last year, I think it would have been a year before. You will have to forgive me because I don't know what year I'm in anymore these days. I took upon myself to enter E360 TV's Ayurveda hair growth challenge. Now for me, it wasn't quite a hair growth challenge, just rather being more consistent with incorporating Ayurveda products, Ayurveda powders into my hair care and seeing what the difference would have made after a year. Unfortunately, I fell off the bandwagon. Life got in the way, time got in the way, just everything else just got in the way, and I really was not able to be consistent and to go through with it in terms of keeping up the Ayurveda treatments that I would have for my wash day and otherwise. So this year, as I planned out content for the channel, for my other platforms, I really just wanted to have some sort of balance. I would have told you guys in my previous video that 2020 is all about balance for me, and in retrospect, 2020 is also going to be about focus for me, focusing on things and challenging myself. So I decided, since I didn't really get to finish my last challenge, I would hop back on the bandwagon that I fell off of and start over a new Ayurveda challenge, and I want you guys to join me. So how do you join the challenge? You pretty much just have to get your Ayurveda powders and research and incorporate them into your natural hair care regime. I do have a few videos up on my channel already showing you guys how I use some of the powders, but I will also, during the course of the challenge, try to show you guys some more ways that you can incorporate Ayurveda into your hair care routine, as well as, if you're not following me on Instagram, I highly suggest that you do, because you will actually on there see the day-to-day of when I actually go and use Ayurveda in my wash day and otherwise in my Instagram stories. So by now you guys are probably wondering, okay, I'm game, where do I get these Ayurveda powders? My go-to for Ayurveda powders is a company called Hanna Trinidad. They are based in central Trinidad, and they also deliver via TT Post. So I will put the link to contact them in the description box. You can reach out to them and get more information on them, on what powders they have in stock. If you're not sure what powders to get, feel free to message me, leave a comment, get me on my Facebook page or via my Instagram, and I will be more than happy to help you figure out what powders may be good for your hair. In a follow-up video, I will show you guys the powders that I actually use in my hair, so you can look out for that in the near future. Now, the goal of this challenge isn't to completely replace the products that you're using now with Ayurveda powders. Rather, it's to see how you can actually incorporate Ayurveda powders into your hair care routine. For me, when I was consistent in using Ayurveda powders in my hair, I noticed that my hair was a lot stronger. It just felt better on a whole. It did grow, and I know that once I'm able to get back on board and consistently incorporate them into my wash days and whatnot, I will definitely see a difference.
Or at least I hope so, because God alone knows my hair is doing its own thing these days. Good Lord.
So just to recap, we are starting our Ayurveda natural hair care challenge this month. I don't want it to specifically be a growth challenge. If you want to focus on growth, that is absolutely fine. For me, I know that with health comes length or comes growth. So I'm not going to focus on length so much. I'm just going to really keep my mindset on ensuring that my hair is as healthy as possible. The goal of this challenge is not to replace all the products that you're using. I mean, if you want to do that, that is fine too. But for me, it's just about finding ways to incorporate Ayurveda powders into your natural hair care routine. Hanna Trinidad is the go-to place to get every possible Ayurveda powder that you can think of. Link is in the description that you can reach out to them, tell them that I sent you, and she will definitely hook you up whatever powders you need. If you need assistance in determining what powders will work for you or what powders you think will address the concerns that you may have, feel free to shoot me a message, leave a comment on here, inbox me on my Facebook page, DM me on my Instagram, tweet at me on Twitter. I will be more than happy to help. I'm just really excited to get this challenge underway for us, and then even more so for just myself, because I really just want to give my hair a little more focus this year, because truthfully my hair has, even though I was doing natural hair care videos in between everything else last year, my hair was kind of taking a backseat to everything else that was going on. So I think it's just time for me to put a little more focus back on the crown and make sure that she gets all the love that she deserves. And that's it, everyone. Good luck on this challenge. I will check in with you all down the line. Let's say we'd probably do a check-in every other month or every third month or so to see how everyone is going. I am really looking forward to this, and I hope that you guys, whether it's length or just health, as we're going along in the months, I hope you see the results that you're hoping for. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.